Hey everyone, Rich Ferguson here, and I cannot believe that people are still arguing if the earth is flat or round. Are people this stupid? Really? Of course the earth is flat. Today I'm going to prove it to you, and be sure to share this with all your friends so you can prove how smart you are too. Let's do this. Here's proof right here. Hello? Maps, they're flat. Don't be stupid. Now you're gonna say, what about globes? Well, globes were created by the education system so kids can all stand around the outside and look at the map at the same time. It's simple, people. Don't be stupid. And this is proof enough. Have you ever poured water on a ball? It doesn't stay on, does it? Behold, the flat earth. And when you pour water on it, guess what? It stays. If the earth is flat, why doesn't water fall off the side? Because of mountains, dumbass. Now let's talk about the tides, but first, the moon is flat too. They say you can't see the back of the moon. That's because it's a plate too. Full moon, partial moon. Hello? Obvious. The moon is not pulling our tides back and forth because all over the world, water is splashing. The moon's only in one location. If you put water on a plate, it splashes back and forth. Hello? Tides. And other planets are flat too. This is not the shadow of the moon or Earth. If it was, then why do we still see the ring? Hello? Well, what about the sun? Is it round too? Nobody knows because you can't look at the sun. It'll burn your eyes out, stupid. Here's more proof. Clouds. See? Sprinkle clouds on a ball. They fall off. Duh! Put clouds on a disc. And they stay. People really need to learn some IQs. Speaking of clouds, you ever notice how rainbows are always curved or circular? That's because your eyes are balls, not because the earth is a ball. Gosh, people are so stupid. You see, it's simple when you think. Planes fly around the country. They don't fly around a ball because planes fly straight. They would fly right off into space. It's geometry, people. Simple. Still don't believe me? Well, maybe you'll believe physicists because they're the smartest people on the planet. And they say the quickest way to get to those 2 points is to bend it together through space and time. And then voila, those 2 points meet. Hello, can't do that with a ball, can ya? Now here's something you see all the time, but you've probably never even thought about it. Train tracks. They have to be flat by design. Yet they go all across our country. If they weren't straight, trains would fall off. It's very simple. It's called observation. You're telling me we have a ball that has time zones, and if you travel fast enough, you'll go forward or backwards in time? That's ridiculous. Ever seen a clock or maybe a wall clock? Hello, it's flat and there's time zones. Even my 2-year-old child understands this. So when you're on a flat earth and you're traveling around, you go through the different time zones. Very simple. But there's 24 hours, dummy. Military time, hello? If the earth was a ball, then why can you be on a beach and see islands that would be out of sight? The earth is obviously flat. Then why can't you see Hawaii from California? Because it's so far away, there's clouds and stuff in the air, debris, particles, you can't see through all that stuff. You ever been in clear water and you can see really far, but you can't when the water's murky? Hello? Common sense. So we're flying through space at 67,000 miles an hour, and you're telling me if we're a ball that's spinning, we would survive that kind of wind? Have you ever put your hand outside of the window at 100 miles an hour? The people in the front would be blown off, and the people in the back would be turned around like a washing machine. It's called aerodynamics, people. So simple. Ever tossed a ball or a frisbee? Which flies better? Yeah, frisbee. And don't even get me started on gravity. You're telling me that there's people walking on the top of the earth that drop stuff that goes down, and people on the other side that drop stuff and it goes up? That makes no sense whatsoever. You can't break the laws of physics. So there you have it, proof that the earth is flat. So if you have a brain, share this with all your friends to prove that you're not stupid. Jesus.